All right, today we're gonna go through IDEO just because I've seen a lot of people, submit service websites, and I want to show you how, a really good service website looks like, right? So let's start from the beginning. They immerse you, right? This is everything they help people build. We build to think, boom, kind of value principle. We listen to unlock, also another value that's, separates them from the competition, right? We play to discover. So thinking, listening, and playing is kind of their core values, and they're showing you how they live that, right? And then curiosity, right? We question to create. And it's a creative agency. They're an innovation agency, so they show you all the things they're creating. Inspiration, we inspire to provoke. They're kind of, 40-year-old company, but it can kind of give you a framework to think about, right? Like showcase, show, right? They want to show you as much, especially service businesses, it's hard to show. So, the things you create, your maybe, footage with customers, meeting customers, their problems and how you're listening to it, all of these things can show that you're like connected and care visually is what you're trying to achieve, right? Here, they kind of explain what IDEO is, right? For more than 40 years, IDEO has helped the world's leading organization make the future. So they're in the future making business, you know. Find out how design can set you apart, help you grow and solve your toughest challenges. And then boom, this is how we help. We help you create breakthrough products, we help you create strategies, and we help you build your creativity skills, right? So you can see that from just the headline. You don't have to read to figure out, but then you read, it gives you more context, right? We design magical products, brands, services, and experience that people truly value. So you're like, if I need the product, I need the brand, or I want to design a service, maybe they can help. Strategy, we make your strategy tangible by building visions your teams can see. So they're in the visualization business. They understand your strategy, they help you visualize it. Creative capability. We build critical skills that help you lead the organization. So skill building, seminars, training. And at a glance, you now know what they are. Then they expand breakthrough products. This is where they kind of show their portfolio in a very cool way. From Barbies, playhouses, to supersonic jets, they cover everything. They're telling you we're not industry specifics. We'll help you create a product because we kind of have this sort of secret sauce and creativity, right? And look, boom, health from new venture, and this takes you to a case study I'll show you soon. Reinventing supersonic flight, changing they're like, damn, they work with all these people, amazing. This is kind of a little summary. See how it's not a big block of text. And if you want to read more, you can go and link more. But this establishes credibility and shows a little bit of a portfolio, you know, on another website. But, it's a good way to kind of increase that information density is to, on highlight here, they can have the testimonial from Omega Health here. And you get that social proof now. You're like, damn, that's great. And then boom, the second service, strategic futures from electric fleets to plastic-free packaging. They help you visualize, crystal vision, right? They got, their own product that they're pushing you to here secretly, which is their university. I don't know why they put it part of strategic. Oh, that's maybe so you can learn how to create a strategic future and learn how and when to use AI during design thinking process. This, relevant, very good. Realizing waste-free future, those loop partners, they help visualize this vision, planetary protection at a human scale, conservation international. This is amazing. More strategic futures, you go, they kind of expand on that and they do it again, right? The same formula, but now just expand it to that service and, telling you more about that service, right? And then creative capabilities from catalytic and mindsets to innovation labs. You know how they kind of like, boom, see, it's they kind of help you feel that visually too, right? Design strategy. I like that they're pushing their IDOU and everyone. Maybe those two, because maybe those things are like, you know, because product design is kind of a big thing, but these things they're kind of experts on. So this is a way to show their expertise. They're like universities, not really university, but if you don't know who IDEO is, the university kind of borrows that brand, right, a little bit. And then, this is the creative capabilities training. So they're training students, they're training, these people, accelerators. It kind of gives a feeling of like, this is the people we work with. And then boom, you can stay up to date or contact us. And they make the contact us kind of a little exclusive. Like they're obviously trying to position themselves as like the top and partner on project, attend your event, media interviews. Very cool. And then you want to work with them, they got the job postings here. This is kind of full built out agency. It's a global agency. It's great. I wish I had an example, and if anybody has an example of like a smaller agency that's crushing it on all levels, please send me the link. I'd love to do one for like a small agency. But hopefully this, for anybody building a service, can understand that it's about showcase and portfolio. It's not about, you know, stuffing your website with promise after promise after promise without any results or proof.